In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access, review, and finalize an IAS or BS activity statement in Xero. We're going to walk through the process in a simple, practical way so you can confidently prepare your activity statement and make sure the information is ready to lodge. This is especially useful if you're handling payroll and tax reporting regularly and want to double check that everything has been captured correctly before submission. To begin, open Xero and go to the accounting menu. From there, select Activity Statement. This is where Xero brings together the reporting areas used for IS and BAS preparation. Once you're in the Activity Statement section, you'll be able to view the available reporting periods and choose the one you need to work on. Next, select the correct IAS reporting period. Depending on how your business reports, this may be a monthly or quarterly period. It's important to choose the right date range because the figures shown in the statement are tied directly to that reporting window. Take a moment here to confirm you're in the correct period before moving forward. That helps avoid reviewing the wrong set of payroll or tax data and saves time later. After that, review the PAYG withholding amounts. This step is all about checking that the employee tax withheld in your payroll records matches what appears in the activity statement. Compare the figures shown in Xero against your payroll summaries so you can confirm the withholding totals are accurate. If something doesn't look right, it's worth pausing here and investigating before finalizing anything. Even small mismatches can create issues when lodging, so this review step is one of the most important parts of the process. Once you've confirmed that the PAYG withholding figures are correct and everything looks complete for the reporting period, you can finalize the statement. In Xero, click Save as Final. This tells the system that the activity statement is ready and no further edits should be made without careful review. Finalizing also prepares the report for lodgement. From there, you can lodge the activity statement directly with the ATO using Xero's portal. This makes the submission process more streamlined since you can move from review to lodgement in the same workflow. Before sending it through, do one last quick check of the reporting period and totals to make sure everything is exactly as expected. And that's the process for accessing an IAS or BAS activity statement in Xero, reviewing PAYG withholding, and finalizing it for lodgement.